Preparing our nature drinks. You already see here the nature cubes that are previously prepared with some herbs and fruits. So for the nature drinks, I'm going to add any kind of herb, can also be florals as long as they're all edible and previously washed. I'm going to choose some of my nature cubes that I prepared, beautifully and delicious. And I'm going to add some elderflower cordials, so just a little bit of that. And a little bit in here. This is just a nice fruity fresh flavor. I'm going to get some water in here as well because we have to dilute it. Normally you can also put some soda water in here. Funny enough, I was at the store yesterday buying this and a teenage girl was looking for this drink. She said, oh, I add 2 tablespoons of soda water and she loves it. So I'm going to actually add just some regular water to this. Look how beautiful this looks. Gorgeous. I'm going to have a sip of that and enjoy.